Welcome back to another episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen, and we hope you are always doing well. Today's recipe is an eggplant salad, and I have 2 eggplants here. If the eggplant is large, use just one, and if they are small, use 2, just as I did. Now, I am going to cut them lengthwise like this. I am going to divide each eggplant like this, then cut it into slightly large cubes. Like this. I add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now, I am going to mix them like this and leave them for about 15 minutes so they release their water. This helps remove the water and bitterness from the eggplant, and I will come back to you. It is important to mix them well so they are all coated with salt. I have about 200 grams of Sauge's tomatoes here. I am going to cut them in half like this. I am going to chop some parsley using only the leaves. We remove these stems. After leaving the eggplant for 15 minutes, it has released its water. Now, I am going to wash it to remove the excess salt and this dark water. Now, I am going to dry it to remove the excess water. Dry it well. Add 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, I am going to mix the eggplant until it is completely coated with cornstarch. This method works well because the eggplant gets completely coated with cornstarch. I have placed a frying pan or a saucepan, whatever you have available, and added oil, and now I am going to start frying the eggplant. Here it is, fried like this. Now I am going to put it here in. I have placed it here in a dish lined with paper. I will continue in the same way until I finish all the pieces I have. The eggplant turns out crispy. It turns out crispy and delicious, so just try this method. I have 2 cloves of garlic here. I am going to grate them like this. I'd add 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. It always depends on your taste, and I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, or you can use vinegar and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I mix everything and I have about 1 tablespoon of oil here because I have a little extra. My eggplant is ready. Look at how crispy it is. It is really delicious, and I am going to take this bowl or this large dish. I am going to pour these ingredients over it. If you do not like too much garlic, just use 1 clove, no problem. Now I am going to add the eggplant like this. This salad turns out very delicious. Now I am going to put it in the serving dish. And this is the final look of the eggplant salad, and it looks beautiful. You saw it. It tastes very delicious, and I hope you enjoy it. If you make it, enjoy it in good health, and until the next video.